there. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. And on this specific training, I want to talk to you about inbound call routing. More specifically, I want to teach you how you can take advantage of a feature in the PhoneBurner system called call flows. This feature allows you to create a menu system so that when somebody calls back one of your phone numbers, they can pick an option from a menu to get routed to the appropriate person. So let's get into this. In the upper right-hand corner, go ahead and click on your initials or your image and go down to inbound settings. From the inbound settings on the left-hand side, you're going to click on the call flows settings option. Now, of course, the first time you go here, you're not going to have any call flows created. So you're going to need to click on the add call flow option. Here, you're going to go ahead and give the call flow a name. I'm going to go ahead and name this general callback flow. And now I need to decide what kind of key press options would be available and what's going to happen with each of those key presses for the people who call into any number that's routed to this call flow. So in this particular case, I'm going to have 3 key presses. Option 1, sales. Option 2, support. Option 3, me. Let's go ahead and start with option number 1. So they press the number 1 key on their phone. That's going to be directed to my sales team. Now I can direct that to an individual team member. So if I only have one team member that's part of my sales team and I want to route all calls to that team member, I choose member as the response option, and then I choose the team member that is the one that's handling those inbound sales calls. Let's say that's Heather. Now let's add another key press. So for key press number 2, this is going to be my support option. And let's say my support team is not using PhoneBurner. We have a separate support phone number outside of the PhoneBurner system. So I want to forward those calls to an external number. So I'm going to choose forward, and then I can choose any one of my phone numbers that has been verified in the system. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that phone number. And then finally, I'm going to go ahead and enter another option, option number 3. That one I'm going to have routed to me. So again, I'm going to choose member as the response option, and I'm going to choose the team member, me. And that's it. I've now chosen the 3 different key press options that are going to be available anytime a call is routed to this call flow. But of course, that's only part of it. We still have to tell the people who've been routed to this call flow what options are available and what they should expect. So we need to create a greeting. So I'm going to click on this play a greeting option. And I'm going to choose either upload a greeting or record a greeting. Now, of course, if you've recorded a greeting outside of PhoneBurner, you can upload that into the system. I have not done that, so I'm going to go ahead and record a greeting. I'm going to see this record a greeting button pop up. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And that's going to start the countdown for me to record my greeting. Now, of course, I'm just talking here random nonsense, but you would say something like, hey, this is Jeff. Hey, thank you for calling PhoneBurner back. I'm so excited that you're calling us. Blah, blah, blah. Press 1 to be routed to our sales team. If you make a mistake, no worries. Go ahead and hit the stop button. Trash that. So I'm going to hit that record button again. It's going to give me my countdown. Hey, thanks for reaching the PhoneBurner hotline. We're so excited for you to be calling us. If you want to talk to our sales team, press 1. If you want to talk to our support team, press 2. If you want to talk to Jeff, press 3. Once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and hit the stop button, and I'm going to save it. Now I have my greeting. Now, obviously, if I wanted to clear that greeting, I could clear it at this point, and I can record a new one. So I'm going to do that now. Hey, this is PhoneBurner. Thanks for giving us a call. We're so excited that you've reached out to us. Press 1 to talk to our sales team so that we can help you get more done in less time using the power of PhoneBurner. Press 2 to talk to our support team if you need some help with anything regarding to the system. And press 3 if you'd like to talk to me, Jeff. So excited that you're part of the PhoneBurner family. Thanks again, and happy dialing. Now I'm going to go ahead and save that. And I'm going to keep that greeting. I'm going to go ahead and hit submit. And that's it. That's how easy it is for you to create a call flow, But that's only part of the battle here. We have this call flow, but it isn't assigned to any phone numbers yet. And so we need to assign this call flow to a number pool. I can click on this Assign Numbers link, and that'll take me to my number inventory where I can view all of my number pools, and I can assign this call flow to any one of my number pools. So let's go down here and find a number pool. Let's say we've got this customer follow-up number pool, and we want that one to take advantage of this general call flow routing strategy. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this number pool. And I'm going to change the routing strategy from external number to call flow. Once I choose call flow as the routing strategy, I'm going to go ahead and choose general callback flow, and I'm going to submit it. And that's it. From now on, any callbacks to any of the phone numbers that are assigned to this number pool are going to be routed to this call flow, where they're going to hear my greeting, and they're going to be able to press 1, 2, or 3 to be routed to the appropriate person or people. That's how easy it is for you to take advantage of call flows within the PhoneBurner system so that you and your team can ensure that the callbacks to any of your phone numbers are routed to the right people. Thanks again, and happy dialing.